Hello and welcome. Let's do this video to let you understand how you can install and use the Skin4e. Um, Once you get the email, you need to download the file and unzip this file in your desktop. It's important to avoid to install the plugin from an external drive. Let's do the process from the desktop, or at least from the same partition you have installed the Photoshop, but let's say desktop so it's easier for everyone to understand. So once you unzip this in your desktop, all you need to do is work with these two different files. One file is the plugin panel and the other file is the actions which will be used by the plugin. So after you unzip this in your desktop, let's find the Skin4e PS-CCX file and let's double click. When you double click over this file, you will see your Creative Cloud app being opened, and let's proceed with the installation. Let's press OK, and you will see now the Skin4e plugin appears in here. Now we need to do the second part of the process. For this, we will go to Photoshop. As you can see now, you will see this already installed in your Photoshop. But we want to also install the action set. For this, if you don't have visible your actions panel, don't worry. You need to go to Window, Actions. And when you have the actions panel visible, let's go to the menu button and let's go to Load Actions. Let's locate the Skin4e ATNU unzipped and let's click on Open. When you open the file, you will see the Skin4e action set installed in your actions panel. Let's close or minimize or make this pretty small so it doesn't bother us. For now, we will not need it. Okay, now we have installed the plugin and we have installed the action set. Let's divide this video so we can do small parts and it's more easy to digest for you.